Hey, I'm Dionysios from buycompanyname.com. Before I start with today's video, I would like to ask you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, or use some of my affiliate links that you will find in the video description. Okay, let's start with the video. First, some disclaimers. I am assuming that you already have a domain from GoDaddy, but the method I will show you, it works in a similar way for any other domain register. If this trick doesn't work in the future, you can always leave a comment below and I will find alternative solutions. What we will do here, we will use a free email forwarding service like the one that forwardemail.net offers, and we will adjust the settings on our Gmail so we can also send messages from our business email. So again, there will always be some free email forwarding services, or if you can't find in the future some trusty one, you can move your domain to some domain registers like Namecheap or Dynadot that offer free mail forwarding, but with some limitations. Because as things stand now, GoDaddy doesn't offer free mail forwarding as it used to be. Okay, let's start with the presentation. The first step is to sign in for forwardemail.net. I will click apply. I will sign in with my Google account, but of course you can create an account even by the usual standards by giving your email and password, but signing with Google is faster. I need to type my password in the next step, but okay, because I have already done that, the system just redirects me here. Now, you need to add a new domain. In my case, I have already added one, backbone.me. Let me show you how it looks like after you click continue. You will see that interface. Then we need to verify some record. Of course, I will get an error here, but now I can see the details that I want. Let's log in for our GoDaddy account. I have already logged in. I can choose my products here, or I can go from here, manage domains. Let's go to my products and click manage all. I will type the domain that I want to use. And then I can click these three dots right at the domain, or I can click on the domain, scroll down and click manage DNS. It's the same. Let's go manage DNS. And it is the similar interface with other domain registers. For example, on Namecheap, you will find that section under Advanced DNS. You just search for a DNS section for each domain register. Okay, now we have two MX records. Click here to copy. Add. I add the first MX record. I put that symbol in host. I don't need that. mx1.forwardemail.net, priority 10, and this is the first record. You see how it looks like. I need the second one. Again, the symbol. I will now choose mx2.forwardemail.net and priority 10 again, and this is how it looks like when you have added both these records. The next and last step is to add a TXT record. This is very important. I put that symbol in host again. This is very important. It is forward dash email equals, and then you need to type your Gmail. So what this record means: every email that someone sends to any alias of backbone.me, like sales@backbone.me, hello@backbone.me, they will all be redirected to that Gmail, your Gmail. Now, if you want specific business emails to go to a specific Gmail, for example, I want every mail that goes to sales@backbone.me to be redirected to your Gmail, you can do that. If you remove sales, any mail related to backbone.me will go to that Gmail. Okay, this is how it looks in the end. Let's see if I will receive that email. And voila, it works. Okay, now we need to find a way to send business emails, and we will use our Gmail for that. First, we log into our Google account. You can see here my inbox. I click those dots on up right, and then you can see my face and click account. On the left, I will choose the security option, and I will activate two-step verification. I have already turned it on, but you need to do it too. It's a requirement. Okay, let's go back. Again, in security section, I will choose that section, app passwords. My password, select app, mail, select device, other, and here I will type my business email. For example, that. And this will generate a password. Don't close that window because that password will disappear. Copy that because we will need it in the next step. We go back to our inbox. Here up right, we see that next to the question mark. Settings, see all settings. We choose accounts and report. Add another email address. Send mail as, and another email address. Here we unclick treat as an alias. I will type my custom business email. Next step. Very important step here. And this is where I messed it up earlier when I was trying to do it myself. For SMTP server, we will use the one that Gmail uses, smt.gmail.com. And for username, we delete that and we will use our username from our Gmail. For example, if our Gmail is george@gmail.com, you will use only the George part. This is very important. For username, I repeat, we will use your first part of your Gmail address before the @ symbol. And password, we will go to the other window, app passwords, and copy that and paste here. Secure connection using TLS @ account. Great. Then we will find in our inbox a confirmation code. We will use that, and after that we will click the link from the email we received. Verify, and we click the link here. Please confirm sending emails @backbone.me. And now we should be ready. You can see here I can choose if I want to send the email from my usual Gmail or my business one. Let's see. Let's see if that will work. Yes, I received the email. I used my Hotmail email for that, and yes, I received a message from admin @backbone.me. Leave a comment if something doesn't work from your side and we will figure it out. As I say, this trick might not work in the future. Just let me know and I will guide you with a comment or with an updated video. Bye!